cut off. The boy cut off his sister's hair.
She cut off all her hair.
First, the cook cut off the fish's head.
I want to eat this apple, but it looks rotten.
Just cut off the rotten part and eat the rest.
Dash off. The rabbit dashed off into the forest. He dashed off to deliver the message. She dashed off because she was late.
Will May be gone for a long time?
No, she just dashed off to the store to buy some milk.
Depend on. When they are young, the fish depend on their mother. The blind man depended on his dog. The old woman depended on her son.
I'll drive you to the airport.
Please, don't forget. I'm depending on you.
Die out. We must protect whales if we don't want them to die out. Mammoths died out a long time ago. I wish all the mosquitoes would die out.
Why did the dinosaurs die out?
Because the weather got very cold.
Differ from. Red and green apples differ from each other in taste. My opinion differs from hers. The new house differs from the old one in many ways.
How does this bicycle differ from the other one?
This one has a more comfortable seat.
Dispose of. It is dangerous to dispose of a lit cigarette in a garbage can. Bill disposed of the old bottles. The murderer tried to dispose of his knife.
This fruit is almost rotten.
Let's dispose of it before it starts to smell bad.
Do badly in. I always do badly in mathematics. She did not study, so she did badly on her test. The basketball player did badly in the game because of his injury.
Do you get good grades in school?
My grades are good, except for history. I usually do badly in that class.
Do one's homework. He is doing his homework. I usually do my homework at the library. He always does his homework before watching TV.
What are you going to do after school?
I am going to do my homework.
Do one's best.
The teacher told him, "Just do your best."
He did his best to stop the water. Although I didn't win, I was happy because I did my best.
I'm not very good at math.
Don't worry. Just study hard and do your best, and you will do all right.
Do well in. He does very well in school. My sister always does well in math. Bonnie did well in the race.
How can I do well in science class?
You should review your notes every day and make sure you do all your homework.
Don't mention it. When I thanked him for the gift, he said, "Don't mention it." I appreciated the card you sent me. Don't mention it. Thanks a lot. Don't mention it. I was glad to help.
Thanks for giving me a ride home.
Don't mention it. I'm happy I could give you a ride.
Dream of. He often dreams of being big and strong. The Wright brothers dreamed of making a flying machine. Pinocchio dreamed of becoming a real boy.
In winter, I like to dream of hot, sunny places.
Me too. I like hot weather more than cold weather.
Drop by. I dropped by at 3 o'clock, but you weren't home. My neighbor dropped by with an apple pie. Eddie dropped by yesterday to say goodbye.
Can we go to the department store now?
Okay, but I have to drop by the bank first to get some money.
Drop off. I have to drop off the package today. My mother dropped me off at school on her way to work. Laura dropped off the books at the library.
Where are you going?
I am going to drop off my rollerblades at Sue's house. She is going to use them tomorrow.
Enjoy oneself. They always enjoy themselves. We enjoyed ourselves at Disney World. He enjoyed himself at the picnic.
Enjoy yourself on your vacation.
Thank you. I think it will be great.
Fall in love with. I fell in love with her the first time I saw her. The young girls fell in love with the rock star. Anthony fell in love with Cleopatra.
Does Wally like Sue?
Yes, he really likes her. He has fallen in love with her, and he wants to marry her.
Far from. The house is far from the city. He lives in town, not far from his father. The forest was not far from Athens.
Is your house far from the supermarket?
No, it isn't. It takes 5 minutes to walk there.
Feel like. I feel like having a snack. She feels like crying because she lost her job. After the long walk, he felt like taking a shower.
Do you feel like watching a video tonight?
No, I feel like going bowling.
Figure out. You can use a calculator to figure out math problems. I figured out how to save money on my electric bill. Oedipus figured out the answer to the riddle.
I can't figure out where I put my glasses.
Look on your head.
Fill up with. Please fill up the glass with milk. I filled up the tank with gas. We filled up the box with old pictures.
How much juice do you want?
I'm very thirsty. Please fill up my cup.